Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into YouTube and I'm going to guide you on changing your YouTube channel's handle, aka the username. This is especially useful if you want to rebrand or just tweak your YouTube presence. First, head to YouTube and ensure you're logged in. If not, click the login button located at the top right corner. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, top right. A drop-down will appear. Select YouTube Studio from the options. On the YouTube Studio dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Customization. You'll see various tabs. Click on the Basic Info tab. And here, you can spot the channel handle section. Input your desired handle and ensure it's unique. If it's available, you'll see a green check mark. And don't forget to hit the Publish button to ensure your changes are saved. Now, while changing your handle can be a refreshing update, it's not the sole way to get more views or traction on YouTube. So thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!